Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm pretty sure you're singing that song. You're singing along to that song because your girl is back. Woo! I'm so excited to be back on the long format content. Hey. Can I just say, the little 3-month break did your girl some good. I am so happy to be back and serving you guys up recipes moto this year. If you're new here, my name is Mandi Sarro. I'm known as the Throwdown Queen for the OGs. I'm so happy that your girl is back and giving you that sauce. And this year, we're gonna kick things off very differently. We're gonna kick things off with another appliance video like last year. For those who may not know, last year we delved into air fryers, Instant Pot. Hey, if you do not know much about them, it's just popped up. Just go check out that video, get to learn much more about the air fryer and of course the Instant Pot. But this year, I'm here to put you on to appliances that you definitely need to be having in your kitchen. And you can see I'm with the baddies. These are the baddies that you're gonna need into your kitchen in 2023. So let me give you a quick rundown of what we have over here, and I break it down to you why you need them. Now, we're gonna start things off with the classic, the El Clasico, which is a classic blender, which a lot of people have in their houses. I mean, you blend pretty much anything from a smoothie to your sauces if you wanna make a soup. Now, if you have a blender, you need some counterparts to it, okay? The counterpart that you need is a spice grinder. This is perfect, especially for those of you who are all about making that authentic Swahili pilau. You need to toast your spices and then grind them in here. So if you have any whole spices, you definitely need a spice grinder to just turn everything into powder. So I highly recommend, if you have a blender, just make sure you get a spice grinder too. Alternatively though, you can always use a pestle and mortar to grind down the spices into powder. Now that we've covered the two El Clasicos, let's go to the upgrade, which is the hand blender. Now, apart from the standard blender and a grinder, you definitely need a hand blender as well in your kitchen, especially for those of you who are lovers of soups. If you are a lover of making a quick marinade, this hand blender just comes in handy. And also, it's actually one of the cheaper devices that when you go into the store, or one of the cheaper blenders that you can pick and just like experiment with it. You can make mayonnaise with it, again, soups with it. So a hand blender just comes in handy. For example, if you would like to blend a soup and it's in the pot, quick and easy, stick that thing in there and you're over, in and out and done, as opposed to scooping it out, placing into a whole jug blender like this and then having to blend it. A hand blender comes in handy for the quick and easy marinades and soups, mayonnaise that you need to be making. So this is a must-have in 2023. Now that I've told you about the hand blender, let me share with you the next thing that you need to be having in 2023. The baddie's name is a food processor. I know you're like, so what is the difference? Let me put you on. And now onto the main baddie, which is the food processor. For those of you who already have a food processor, I will be showing you how to get much more value out of your food processor a little bit later on this year. Don't worry about that. But if you have been thinking about getting yourself a food processor, or you're just like, what does it do? Let me put you on. So first, when your food processor arrives, it arrives with a processor, which is this, the mortar, and the jug. The jug, you want to assemble it. And when you assemble, you want to hear this lock sound. So you have the food processor and you have a blender. And you're like, what is the difference between the two? That's why all these accessories come in for the food processor. See, with the blender, all you can do is simply blend a smoothie, marinades. However, with the food processor, you can do much more. And the thing that you need to look out for with the food processor is actually all the accessories that come with it. It comes with a dough blade, a knife blade, and a emulsifier. So imagine if you were making whipped cream, if you were making a mayonnaise, this would come in very handy as the emulsifier. It also comes with this blade. It's a 2-in-1 blade. One side is for like slicing up onions and stuff, or potatoes, while the other side you can shred a lot more. You could shred anything from carrots to cheese and any other vegetable you would like as well. And also comes with a spatula. The spatula helps you like move things around And like I mentioned, the food processor can do much more. Everything from mixing dough, cutting up vegetables, be it your skuma wiki, your marinades if you want to make them and you want to make a big batch. This would really come in handy with that as well. And as you can see, all these things that are popping up, these are some of the things that you can actually make with your food processor. Why do you need it? It will eliminate all the extra meal prep work that you usually do. For example, if you like to make chapos, you can need your chapos in here. If you want to make a quick coleslaw, shred everything in here. This device comes in handy to really help you get more out of your meal prep and save you on a lot of time. And the key thing that you need to know, because I know you're about to ask me, which brand should I buy? Don't ever look at just the brand. Look at what you're going to get out of it in terms of the tools that comes with it. There's some that comes with a juicer. There's some that come with like 3-4 other blades that you can do much more. There's some that comes with other hooks as well. So when it comes to a food processor, it's all about the accessories that come with it. The accessories help you get much more value than anything else. And finally, one thing you definitely need to upgrade, especially if it has stains all over it, is the chopping board. The bigger the chopping board, the closer you are to your ancestors. And let me explain why. The bigger the chopping board, it allows for you to meal prep so much more easier instead of having to take side plate after side plate after side plate. Once you've chopped up things, you have to put them to the side, chop up things, put them to the side. The bigger the chopping board, you can chop a lot more items and meal prep just becomes a breeze. So if you feel like you're looking at your chopping board, you're like, it's a little too small, it's time to upgrade. The ancestors want you to get closer to them, and I highly recommend for you to get a big and sturdy chopping board if you don't have that yet. I really hope, though, that you have enjoyed this video and the breakdown to every appliance that you possibly need to upgrade in your kitchen in 2023. It's been my pleasure to share with you the appliances or the kitchen tools that you need and how to get value out of them. If you would like to see me whip up a couple of things with either the food processor, the hand blender, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That's what you need to be doing. Go ahead and leave a comment if you're part of the food processor gang, if you're part of the hand blender gang. I'd love to learn also from you. What are you using your food processor to do? Or what are you using your chopping board to do that we do not know about? Leave it in the comment section. Share this video with somebody who's a kitchen lover and is looking to upgrade their kitchen tools. And until the next video where I'm going to be cooking delicious things with my tools, you might want to subscribe and join the gang. I'm so happy to be back and serving you up delicious things.